Peak hours. Working during lunch, 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. and dinner, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m., rushes can lead to higher earnings due to increased order volume and potential bonuses. Promotions. DoorDash offers incentives like peak pay and challenges, which can boost your earnings during busy periods. Order selection. Accepting orders with higher pay and shorter distances can maximize your hourly rate. Multi-apping. Using multiple delivery apps simultaneously, e.g. Uber Eats, Grubhub, can increase order opportunities and reduce downtime. Expenses to consider. Vehicle costs. Expenses such as gas, maintenance, and depreciation can significantly impact net earnings. For instance, one driver calculated their operating cost at 28.5 cents per mile. Taxes. As an independent contractor, you're responsible for self-employment taxes, which can further reduce take-home pay. Tips to maximize earnings. Strategic scheduling. Focus on working during peak hours and in high-demand areas to increase order volume. Efficient routing. Plan your deliveries to minimize driving distance and time between orders. Customer service. Providing excellent service can lead to higher tips and better ratings, which may result in more order opportunities. Track expenses. Keep detailed records of your expenses for tax deductions and to assess profitability accurately. For a visual perspective on DoorDash earnings, you might find this video insightful.
All right, does that answer your question, my dude? She explains it better than me. Thank you, chat. All right, that's gonna be on a live stream replay once again. Live stream replay. I got videos on top of videos. So live stream replay. My bad, wrong click. Misclick. Allow. More details. Arrived. I'll make a thumbnail for that live stream replay. Hey Google, set timer for 2 minutes 30 seconds. That's gonna be on live stream replay. Last 5 minutes of the live stream. DoorDash tips and tricks. Fuck man, it's so hard to press the. I guess I have to do it this side, huh? There goes all your DoorDash tips and tricks. Explained by ChatGPT. She does a way better job than me. Yeah. Shout out to ChatGPT. But I've been in a gig game for 12 years.
What's the difference between Vietnamese and French baguette?
On French, the crust is very thick and chewy, and the texture of Vietnamese baguette is crispy.
Been in the gig game for 12 years though. Been in the gig game for 12 years. What am I doing? Oh, I gotta wait for the timer. Yeah. Timer to expire. Where's my timer? Right. I've been in the gig game for 12 years. First day was December 30th, 2013. December 30th, 2013. Yeah. 12 years in the game. I signed up for Lyft in September 2013, but I never gave my first ride when I scheduled my block. I scheduled my block, but I never log on, so I got deactivated for that. Sí, me llamo Kik Guzman. Soy de Sinaloa. Me llamo Kik Guzman. Sí, way. That's gonna be on the stream replay.